Hi, I'd like to wish all the viewers of news today a very, very happy new year. Health and happiness always.
6 जनवरी 2026 एक दूसरे को नया साल की मुबारकबाद देते हुए ईवो कनेक्ट बिजनेस नेटवर्क क्लब ने अपना शुभारंभ किया और वहां उपस्थित प्रियम बोधिया ने बिजनेस पर बातें रखी और इसके साथ साथ वहां उपस्थित हर एक बिजनेसमैन अपने को प्रोत्साहित किया।
Wishing everyone a very happy new year. Same time, the rest should try. We will see who's winning.
तो आप शामा जी को contact करिए।
Jitendra, I will give a reference for each Jitendra.
टोटल अगर आप करें तो आता है 1। कैसे? आप देखना चाहूँगा अभी कंसल्टेंट एंड ग्रेजुएट
I'll also set up a content time plan. This is for message your parents.
Go. Roadmap हो रहा है. Include yourself, your business to LinkedIn and other social media.
My name is Shubhani.
Hello, Shubhani.
So by profession, I am an advocate and that.
Go for it. But एक चीज मैं बोलना चाह रहा हूँ बिजनेस करना और
to home solutions as you
start. Wait and see computer, laptop, printer.
She is representing Patton and India globally. She won the Family Business Network Next Gen Lombard Odia People's Choice Award in 2020 for her entrepreneurship project Embracing Green. She has spoken on multiple platforms such as TEDx, Horatia Asia, Horatius India, and is the only woman from Eastern India to be featured in a British Council inspiring UK alumni documentary. She is also the co-founder of I Can Fly Tea Cafe, run by special needs individuals. That's an amazing cafe, and they are doing such wonderful job, such a noble thing. At Patton, Priyam launched a sustainability vertical which concentrates on water conservation initiatives, water on wheels, roller tanks, and rainwater harvesting to empower women and children in rural India. Across West Bengal, Orissa, Jharkhand, Bihar, and Rajasthan, 194 plus of the rainwater harvesting installations have touched over 1 million lives, and the water on wheels roller tanks have reached 3,000 plus villages, touching 2 million lives. What a wonderful achievement it is.
So, good evening, everyone. Firstly, thank you so much for inviting me here this evening. It's an honor to be here amongst all of you, and it was really nice to listen to all the little things and businesses that each one runs here. I think since I work a lot in the field of sustainability and water conservation, I do believe that every drop counts. So everything that each one of you do, every drop counts. Every single drop counts. So just to share a little insight into my journey, my story. I'm a Calcutta, born girl. I went to school here in Calcutta, Loreto House, till grade 12. Then I went to La Martiniere, and then I was studying in the UK at the University of Nottingham. There I was doing my management studies for 3 years. Thereafter, I joined LSE, and at the LSE, I was doing some entrepreneurship courses. Right after that, I decided there was always an opportunity to come back home to India, to Calcutta, and work in my family business. But I had this kida inside me that I need to prove it to myself and get a job in London, which is a really fast-paced city, and work in a fast-paced environment such as banking. So therefore, I joined one of the top 3 investment banks at that point of time, called Lehman Brothers. After lots of interviews, managed to get a job with Lehman Brothers. So that was a very proud moment for me to start my career. But imagine, so the first job that I got with Lehman Brothers was in 2008. This is exactly when the global financial crisis hit, the credit crunch happened, and I lost my job, my first ever job, in 1 week. So this was this little girl who's come out of college, so excited, with new clothes and a new, hope to start a job, and then in 1 week I lose my job.
A big round of applause for her. A big round of applause. For all the noble causes and all the innovations, and it's wonderful. That is inducting a new member, and I would request Sanjay ji, our president, and felicitate our new member and incorporate. So Pratap, please come up.
Good evening, everyone. Hi, I'm Priyam Budhya, President at Pattern Group and co-founder Cafe I Can Fly Tea Coffee. Thank you so much, Evo Connect, for having me here today. It was a pleasure to meet the members of Evo Connect, a business networking platform, and interact and hear about everyone's businesses and all the lovely work that they do. In my business, I started the sustainability vertical in the company, which is focused on water conservation. We do a lot of rainwater harvesting projects, which we've done across multiple states with water paucity, such as Bankura, Purulia, Bardhaman and the Sundarban schools. Also have introduced a 90-litre water storage tank called the roller tanks or the water on wheels, which has been rolled out to 5 states such as West Bengal, Bihar, Orissa, Jharkhand and Rajasthan. During COVID, I also launched an interesting product called the Contactless Safe Hand Wash Station, which started as a COVID safety product and now it has become a water hygiene movement. It's been adopted by the Oxfam as well as the UNICEF and has been rolled out to multiple states across the country. We have also installed solar rooftops across our plants in Bengal, such as Behala and Uluberia. So I strongly believe that sustainability should not just be a leadership policy, but it should be something that we should practically implement on a daily basis. And I believe that every drop counts. So please conserve water and preserve water, since every drop counts. Thank you.
Golden sunrise, everyone. This is Julie Bhavya Arun Bengani of Numerology World, Kolkata. I am a passionate numerologist, life coach, palmist and a trainer, practicing more than 15 years and serving the society pan-India and globally as well. So today I am in the first meet of our EVO platform, being a new year, so happy new year everybody. And we had a great evening today, a beautiful meeting today with lots of new faces and old faces. So मैं यही बोलूँगी कि please आप सब join करो इस platform को. It is very promising and very, very, friendly, and it helps you to grow. And आपका business tenfold grow करेगा, because I have really benefited since the day I joined, and I'm proud to be one of the founder member of this beautiful platform. So आप लोग भी आइए, जुड़िए, and इनके जो founder members हैं, लक्ष्य जायसवाल and लावण्या जायसवाल, they're a beautiful couple and you will really love it. So I would invite everybody to be a part of our EVO family. So thank you and have a great year ahead.
Good evening, everyone, and I've been one of the member of EVO, and very happy new year to each and everyone over here and to you all. Well, my journey with the EVO has been past 2 years, and EVO is such a platform which is basically where you need to grow yourself. You should come and join EVO. And apart from that, the members over here is like a soulmate, you can say, and they are very friendly, very, very good, very warm. So I would like each and everyone who is watching this video through me, please come and join EVO and feel the homely passion and the love from the members. And something about myself, that I am Advocate Shamima. I am in a legal background, and basically I work in a women empowerment, and in past many years I have been working for the woman itself, and it has been 23 years of me in this my profession, and well, I have been awarded award for working for the women empowerment, and the journey starts from 2002 to 2006. It was a very amazing journey until I hope for the further more great success for each and everyone and for myself too. So once again, Happy New Year, and please do come and join EVO, as we have a very great founder, Lakshya Jaiswal and Lavanya. They are very great people. Please do come and be a part of this platform. Thank you.